Hi, welcome to this video. You've probably encountered me elsewhere on a welcome site now. I'm Leoarna and my job is to welcome you all to Newman this year. So this video is just a quick bit of advice about how to get the most out of our on-campus Welcome Week activities. These activities run between the 19th and the 23rd of September. Let me talk you a little bit through how you can make the most of them. So first of all, use the welcome website. You found this video, that means you're on the site. That means you've probably been exploring other pages. There'll be lots of detail there, including on your course page, a timetable of activities that your teaching team have planned for you to participate in during the welcome week. If your course starts earlier, and a few of Newman's courses do start earlier, it is definitely still worth you checking your course pages because your teaching team will have planned things for you earlier in the month of September. So do keep an eye out for that. So check your course pages and find out what they've got planned for you. Make sure you are in attendance, at least on those days, if not others, during that week. Secondly, your teaching team will also be getting some coffee and cake vouchers to spend some time with you in a very informal and social way. Don't miss out on getting your free coffee and cake voucher. Third, when you come to campus, you'll see lots of people in t-shirts the same colour as mine or with lanyards and sashes the same colour. They are the Welcome Mentors. I help to run the Welcome Mentor team, and we'd really like you to join us in letting us help you to find your way around campus, to make sense of our online environment, to get a sense of where you need to be and who you're with, and also just a flavour for life on campus. Our Welcome Mentor team are a brilliantly diverse group of students. Some of them are young students, some of them are more mature, some of them are parents and carers, some of them have paid work outside of their course, some are part-time, some are full-time, some are postgraduate. So that way you get a real feel for what it's like to be a Newman student. Next, the Welcome Mentors can take you on a tour of campus. If you're still a little unsure of your way around and finding the things you need on campus, they can support you in that. Number 5, all of our professional and student-facing services will be available daily across lunchtimes from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. in the main atrium. That's right next to Starbucks, and they will be there to answer any personal queries you've got. Okay. You can also take, on top of all of visiting the services in the atrium, you can also take an interactive library tour. You can play games around the campus out in the outside spaces. There'll be a variety of things from basketball hoops and chess and Connect Four, large size and Jenga, so you can join in and meet other students informally. There will be a big range of SU activities, and I would encourage you to have a look at the website that I'm just linking below in order to get a real sense of what the Students' Union is organising for you in that same week. And don't forget, you can claim your free ice cream that week too. So you need to come and find a Welcome Mentor and grab your voucher. Every afternoon on campus, we'll have an ice cream van and you can claim a free ice cream. Okay, so that's a lot of things we've got going on that week. We're really looking forward to seeing you in person. And as I say, it all starts with familiarising yourself with what's happening via the Welcome site. So make as much use of that as you can. Okay, take care then. See you all in another video. Bye.